Okay, today I will review my present. It's from Chanel. I've ordered it on the website chanel.com. Okay, let's unpack. This time I decided to order a repair mask, and so it's hydrating eye cream. Okay, this is my first such kind of luxury and expensive type of cosmetics for prepping the skin, so that's why today I'm without any makeup on my face. First of all, I should say that they forgot to put some samples into the package. There is no samples. Okay, there should be a sample of Le Bon de Chanel mascara and a sample of perfume. So let's unpack the repair mask. Okay, here is the book. Serum for the skin that is under 40, I think, and it is for hydrating mostly, because the others are for the elderly skin. There is a small. I want to take the small part of. The websites say that you should put this mask onto your face, except for the under eye area. It's smelling very good. It's like some flower, but the texture of mask is rather heavy. Obviously it's not light, so I think it's okay. As you can see, my skin is a little bit rosy. Now let's try the eye hydrating cream. So what should I say about this? The package is very beautiful. The texture is not light, obviously. Okay, let's wait until it dries and I will tell you my feelings of how the skin. Let's unpack the eye cream. Only 15 grams. So the interesting fact about this under eye cream is that it is with some small particles. I will show you now. Oh my god, cannot open it. Okay. Look at this bubbles. I don't know what it is. Meanwhile, I can tell you that I feel my skin is very hydrated now. I think it's seen on the video, maybe. No? Okay, now let's try under eye area. The smell is ordinary, not some kind of flowers. Without any smelling, I think. When you're applying it, these bubbles just disappear. It just become just hydrated. Very interesting effect. So now I'm finished. Let's see. I think that definitely they make my skin look a little bit healthier, more hydrated, especially that the fact that I don't use any cosmetics on this video. What can I tell you about my impressions? So the price of these products are rather high, of course. It's buy it, I think, that some kind of holiday presents, but not for everyday use, because of course for everyday use they are very expensive. This mask is supposed to be used twice a week, it's set on their website. Of course, I should mention that I have a combination type of skin, so with the T-zone that is sometimes too oily, and the dry zone on the eyes here. So now I have washed away the mask, and I can tell about the feelings of this product. The skin remains very velvet. It's definitely moisturized. The pleasant smell of Camellia remains. Now, whether this product costs its money, but definitely it make my skin look more healthy. Thank you for watching, and have a nice day.